What is up? What is good? What is going on, knuckleheads and wet shave fans? This is a super spontaneous video. It's about to have a shower and shave, knock on the door, got a package in the mail, so a little spur unboxing, and I'll probably do a little shave afterwards with what is in the box. Can you guess what it is? Anyways, let's get into the box here. I'm super excited for this razor. Cutting into the box there. Let's see here. I cannot wait for this razor. I'm so excited about it. If you don't know what it is yet, bam. This is another Supply 2.0 single edge injector razor, this time in the jet black. I'm so excited. Let's see here. Yeah, since there's a small learning curve with this razor, I am more than adequately prepared to use this razor, so I'm going to use this with my shave today, of course. I have another unboxing of my other Supply razor. Great packaging, great box. It almost looks like to me it looks like the Apple, like iPhone kind of packaging there. Kind of minimal. So let's open it up and see, have a look at it. I've wanted the black one since I saw they were released, and oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is ho ho ho. Look at this. Look at that, nice and chromed out jet black. Absolutely awesome. Wow. I love that finish. It's almost like a gunmetal jet black. Beautiful. I love this razor. They're so intuitive. One of the easiest razors to learn to shave with is this razor. I'd recommend it to even new shavers. Awesome. I think like a $100 price point is fantastic. Beautiful. Excellent. Like as I said, the packaging is fantastic. Comes with the injector blades, so fantastic. I can't wait to get into this. So yeah, the packaging on this is awesome. Comes with the little booklet there. If you want to see the unboxing of my other one, a little bit more in-depth, but can't wait to get into this. I'm going to set up the razor, come back with you, and do a quick shave on my neck with it. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm back. I just showered, so we're going to hit you with a shave. Going to be using the Supply 2.0 single edge injector razor. Great build quality. Love this razor. Well, I love the other one I have, so I assume I'm going to love this one just as much. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. The soap today, Paragon Shaving Sunlit Forest. This is a great soap. Oh, it's got woods, blood orange. Let me see what else it has in it. Blood orange, cedar, tea tree, and lavender. Great scent for the summer, spring. Just a refreshing scent, like really, really nice. Really love this. From Rodrigo, made this scent out of Paragon, designed it with another artisan. To finish, we'll go with Elvado, Royalty Lime Aftershave Splash. Just one of my favorites. And the brush, we're going to go with another fellow Canadian, Steve Goodyear brush with a 2-band from TGN. I believe it's a TGN 2-band. Great little brush, a little bit of scrub. Great for face lathers. Awesome. So I guess it's all Canadian except for the razor, which is from Fort Worth, Texas. Again, beautiful. Let's load up the brush here. Really like the packaging of this Paragon shaving. Love these tubs, the clear tubs. This brush really digs into soaps too. It's got a little bit of scrub in it. No scritch really, but great little brush. I've been contemplating maybe switching the knot out and putting in a synth just so I use it a little bit more, but because this brush is ebony wood, you can't really see, but if you turn it the right way, in the light you get little like streaks of like almost like orangey copper in it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful handle. Nice weight, great design. Brush is all loaded up there. Let's hit the neck. And as you can see already, this soap lathers up beautifully. Doesn't take much to get this soap going. Fantastic stuff. Maybe I'll put a little bit more water in there. I don't know if I need any more water, but let's put some in anyway. So how has everybody been doing? I'm doing okay. Lots of changes in my life, so, you know, some stressors, some stuff like that, but, you know, trying to cope. Doing these videos kind of helps, gets me away, trying to focus on myself a little bit, get myself better, that kind of thing. So Yeah, and also a mail call like today lifts my spirits a bit, so yeah. Been doing alright. So there we go, got some nice lather there. Reason I like this razor is it's so intuitive, I find. Just super easy to shave with. I've been contemplating getting another pack of injector blades to try out. They're called B10s or B12s, the Shicks, just to try them out, see if there's a big difference. But these blades work great for me. So, if you guys tried injector blades, write down below which injector blades you've tried. Which ones you like, which ones are good, which ones are kind of a pass. I've heard that injector blades can be a bit hit and miss, so let me know what you think are ones that are worth maybe trying. Wicked razor, love this. And I think the price point on it's excellent too, $100. It's not crazy expensive, it's not super cheap, but it's great build quality, like it's gonna last forever. Fantastic. There was the first pass. Gotta rinse it off there. The soap, great, nice, great protection, really good slickness as well. Really, really nice soap, underrated soap. I think Rodrigo over at Paragon is more known for his brushes. His brushes are beautiful. But that soap is awesome. Love it. And anybody I've talked to that's tried it loves the soap as well. So yeah, if you're into that kind of a scent, like a springy, summery, woody, probably make a nice combo with something like Terre d'Hermes, something like that. I know it doesn't have vetiver in it, but it's got that blood orange, the woods there. Really, really nice scent. Really digging it. Great performer. Excellent. So if you're picking up a brush from them, I would definitely recommend grabbing a soap too, because it is a great, great soap, great performer, like I said. There we go. I don't find I need to lather it super thick, super heavy. Let the slickness do the trick here. Some great residual slickness on this soap as well. Really makes the shave super effortless, which is awesome. So many great soaps lately. Yesterday I used Field Day from Summer Break Soaps. Awesome, great stuff. Or that was 2 days ago. Yesterday I used First Canadian Shave Soap. Oh, I just cut myself there. I had a little bit of a pimple there, so there that goes. I used First Canadian Peppermint and Grapefruit. Oh, such a good scent. Such a great performing soap. Awesome stuff. Well, that was quick. That was easy. Again, just nice and flawless, easy shave with these. I love the Supply razor. I'm a huge fan, a huge supporter. I'll post a link down below to the site there. The jet black is awesome. It looks so good. Can't wait to put it in the light box and take a couple pictures of it for Instagram and on some of the Facebook groups. It is a beauty. Rinse that off there. Wonderful. Let's chuck on some of the Elvado Royalty Lime. This stuff is just, I don't know, anybody that has it loves it. Great scent. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Love it. I put a lot on. Oh, yeah. I just love the scent of, I love lime scent. I know people are kind of look down on lime, like in the fragrance world. It's just like, oh, it's got lime, so people like it, blah, blah, blah. Lime is such a great scent. It's such like a, not effervescing, but it's like a nice pick-me-up kind of scent. Like you got lavender that's calming. Lime just kind of puts you in that happy mood, like mojitos and that kind of thing. Love lime, any kind of lime. Great stuff. So yeah, we use that. Big Steve Goodger 2-band, great little lather, great little brush. Excellent. Again, the Paragon Sunlit Forest, one of the best looking labels I've seen. Love the picture that reminds me of BC when I lived there. fantastic. Supply razor, the Elvado Splash. That's it. Great shave from the supply razor. If you don't have an injector, I think it's worth giving one of these a try. I really like them. One of my top 5 razors, easily. Just awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Have a great day. Have a great week. If you have any questions, put them down below. I'm going to try to make a question and answer video. If you have any questions, put them down below. And as for me, I'm out of here. I got to get ready for work. Deuces.